So he was saying that instead of setting goals just like, oh, I want to run a marathon or something like that, you can decide on the kind of person you would like to be. So I want to be the kind of person who follows their dream. So they are disciplined, they organized, they eat well, they sleep well, they do their best to be aligned with their dream, with their goal. So can you find something like that where you can define a new identity? So if you define your identity, everything is going to be aligned with that identity. So if you are a runner in your head, you're going to do everything that is aligned with a runner lifestyle. Same thing for everything else. What is your lesson? What have you learned from the pandemic? What have you learned from the uncertainty? What have you learned about yourself? What have you learned about, I would say, everything and the people you love? How do you react when you feel lonely? How do you react when you feel afraid and everything? It's time to check all that.